Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I have something juicy, something exclusive, and something green. That's right, Almost Blazin Banana. It's a limited drop for St. Patty's Day. It's similar to Blazin Banana. It is actually the same, except it's just a limited edition drop. So be sure to hop down to Detail Garage or hop on our website to pick it up today. But back to this video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to properly use Almost Blazin Banana on this Veloster. Before I actually get started, I'm actually going to go have to use EcoSmart to go ahead and clean up the surface because it has the dirt and the grime and the debris that's sitting on the surface is too heavy for it. We recommend using Almost Blazin Banana or Blazin Banana when the car has been freshly washed, before a car show, during a car show, or just to knock down any loose grime or debris that might be sitting on the surface. So to begin this process, I'm actually going to get EcoSmart. EcoSmart has clay and wax at the bottom, so that's why you see a little blue ring around it. Before I start, I'm going to shake it up so I can mix up everything. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And now I'm gonna go to the surface of the vehicle to clean it. Let me go and turn this guy. And all I'm gonna go and do is just simply spray it onto the surface. And the cool thing I like about EcoSmart, you basically could wash anywhere on the go. If you're at a car show, wash it. If you're too lazy and you don't have water running water, wash it then. So simply wipe in one direction, and as I wipe, I'm rolling my towel, and you guys can see that nasty grime and debris came out onto my towel. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna put my thumb where the line is at, so I can always have a clean edge. Go back to the surface of the vehicle and wipe it down. And like that, I'm not rubbing the same grime or debris around the whole entire vehicle, and I'm getting a scratch-free wash. Same exact thing. Wipe it. And then you'll see a little haze left behind because EcoSmart does have wax in it. So you're simply going to go ahead and just buff it off to a bright shine. So I'm actually going to go ahead and clean up this whole entire Veloster, and I'll get back to you guys to show you guys how to properly use Almost Blazin Banana on this orange Veloster. And we're back, guys. I went ahead and finished cleaning up this Veloster using EcoSmart waterless wash, but now it's time to get into the juicy part, the green part. That's right, I'm gonna be using Almost Blazin Banana. Almost Blazin Banana is gonna change how you wax forever. All you need to do is simply shake up the bottle, get a clean, soft microfiber towel. In this occasion, I'll be using a blue happy ending microfiber towel. So simply, all you wanna do is just simply shake up the product. You'll come to the surface and simply, you'll mist it onto the surface. Almost Blazin Banana has ultra fine carnauba wax in it that's gonna enhance any paint color. Simply let it sit for about like half a second. Go ahead and wipe in one direction, and instantly your car has been waxed. Doesn't matter if it's green, blue, black, white, it instantly waxes it. And it simply wipes off very easily. As soon as you spray it on, you can wipe it right off. So now I'll go ahead and spray it onto the other half of the hood. And all you need is a couple sprays per panel. You don't want it to be dripping because then you'll be using too much product on the surface. If your car is lightly dirty, you can go ahead and just spray it directly on it. If you're at a car show, simply use it. If your car just finished getting washed and you want to give it that cherry on top look, go ahead and use Almost Blazin Banana. But remember guys, Almost Blazin Banana is only here for a short period of time. Once they're gone, they're gone. So that's why I'm hesitating. I'm telling you guys, drop down to your Detail Garage location or hop on our website and pick it up today, because I can't tell you how long it'll last. So simply, all you gotta do is just simply spray it on there. And Almost Blazin Banana doesn't just work on paint. If you have clear plastic like your headlights, you go and wax them up so you can get the hydrophobic properties you've always wanted. If you have a ceramic coating on your car, go ahead and use Almost Blazin Banana to go ahead and enhance the hydrophobic properties on it. So simply, all you want to do is just simply spray it onto the surface, wipe in one direction, and now they're protected. So now go and clean it up. And now I'll go to my glass, the windshield, to show you guys that you guys can go ahead and use it on glass. Simply spray it onto the surface. Wipe in one direction. So now this is actually gonna reduce any water spots, grime, debris that might sit on the surface of your vehicle. It's gonna let them just wipe right off, and it's gonna make washing a lot easier. If you do get a lot of brake dust, you want to do a quick touch up, quick pro tip for you guys, go ahead and use a spray wax like Almost Blazin Banana or Blazin Banana to enhance the hydrophobic property or any like brake dust repelling properties. Go ahead and use Almost Blazin Banana because it is a carnauba wax that's going to repel any grime, debris that might be sitting on the surface. It's actually not going to stick onto the wheel or damage it in the future. So simply go ahead and wipe it down. So now this towel got dirty because I went ahead and cleaned my wheels with it. I'm actually not going to use it. But in the meantime, you guys could head over to Detail Garage to pick up your Almost Blazin Banana today, or hop on our website, chemicalguys.com, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. But wait, whenever you get your Almost Blazin Banana, make sure to tag us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter at Chemical Guys for a chance to be featured on our page. I'm going to go ahead and take care of this car. Now it's time for you to take care of your car. Stop on by, pick it up today. We'll see you guys next time.